As we arrive closer to the end of the segment, please help me welcome our most awaited guests for the evening.
Two artists, two generations, one beautiful legacy of storytelling. Our next conversation brings together a legendary performer whose journey in Indian entertainment began as a national award winning child artist and grew into a remarkable career spanning over 6 decades across film, television, and theatre. As an actor, director, and producer, he has been a beloved presence in Hindi cinema and a pioneering force in Marathi entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sachin Pilgaonkar. Joining him is a dynamic performer who represents the new wave of Indian storytelling. From her debut in Marathi cinema to gaining international recognition and delivering acclaimed performances in series like Mirzapur, Guilty Minds, and The Broken News, she has carved a distinct identity with her nuanced and powerful roles. And what makes this conversation even more special is that beyond their individual journeys, they share a unique bond, a father and a daughter, both celebrated artists in their own right. Please join me in welcoming Shriya Pilgaonkar with a round of applause. May I also call upon Mr. Shantanu Naidu to take over.
Thank you for being here. Fun fact, when we launched Goodfellows 4 years ago, we were waiting in a room like this in South Bombay, and everyone was huddled together, and Goodfellows was going to launch. And then in walked Mr. Tata to launch Goodfellows. And Shriya was one of the first people there on that day, along with a few others, because she shared a unique bond with her own grandparents. And after that, Shriya has come back full circle to celebrate today with us in the company of all the other senior care people and startups and our seniors ourselves. So on day one, when there were only 4 or 5 grand pals, and today there are almost 200, Shriya has seen that entire journey. Okay, so now we're going to dive into this father-daughter dynamic. आप दोनों एक्टर हो और एक्टर माइंडसेट है आपके दोनों के पास और आपका दोनों का एक अलग वर्किंग का तरीका होगा, तो आपने एक दूसरे से क्या चुराया है?
फर्स्टली थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग अस और आप सबको देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आई एम सीइंग सच ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस और सच कहूँ तो ये क्राउड मेरा फेवरेट क्राउड है बिकॉज आई लव हैंगिंग आउट विथ माई आजी आजोबा एंड देयर फ्रेंड्स. यस, इट्स ट्रू, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली ट्रू. एंड मैं करेक्शन करूँगी, आपने मेरा इंट्रो करेक्ट दिया कि हम दोनों एक्टर हैं. यू सेड मैं तो सिर्फ एक्टर हूँ, ये एक्टर डायरेक्टर मतलब बहुत चीज़ें करते हैं. सो आई कांट इवन बी ब्रैकेटेड इन द सेम कैटेगरी. बट टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन, मैंने इनसे क्या चुराया है, आई मीन कितना सक्सेसफुली चुराया है पता नहीं, पर मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ कि इनकी जो एक चाइल्ड लाइक क्यूरियोसिटी है, एनर्जी है, आज तक आफ्टर इवन 60 years ऑफ बीइंग इन द इंडस्ट्री वो उसी फ्रेश एनर्जी के साथ रोज उठते हैं, काम करते हैं और जिस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ काम करते हैं, जिस शिद्दत के साथ काम करते हैं, वो मैं हमेशा ऑब्जर्व करके चुराने की कोशिश करती हूँ.
That's really sweet. सर बहुत सोच रहे तो.
मैंने कुछ चुराया नहीं है, मुझ पे काफ़ी चीज़ें लादी गई हैं और मैं औरतों के घर पे रहता हूँ. मतलब मेरी बहन की जब तक शादी नहीं हुई थी तब तक मेरे घर की सबसे बड़ी जो थी घर की मालकिन मेरी माँ. उसके बाद मेरी ज़िंदगी में मेरी छोटी बहन आई, उसके बाद मेरी ज़िंदगी में मेरी बीवी आई और उसके बाद मेरी ज़िंदगी में मेरी बेटी आई. तो एक टाइम ऐसा था कि जब मैं इन चारों के साथ रह रहा था तो मुझ पे इन चारों ने बहुत सारी चीज़ें लादी हैं, मुझे चुराने का कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. यू अंडरस्टैंड? लेकिन अगर ये कहा जाए तो मैंने जिस तरह अपनी माँ से सीखा है बचपन से, वैसा ही मैंने मेरी बाकी द लेडीज इन माई लाइफ, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं, मेरी बहन से भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है, मेरी बीवी से मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा। मेरी ज़िंदगी पूरी बदल गई मेरी बीवी जब से मेरी ज़िंदगी में आई है, तब से, इन गुड सेंस ऑफ इट, यू नो। और मुझे बहुत खुशी है इस बात की कि मेरी ज़िंदगी जो है वो पॉजिटिवली काफ़ी बदली है मेरी बीवी मेरी ज़िंदगी में आने के बाद। और बेटी आने के बाद तो दुनिया ही बदल जाती है, क्यों मुझे आप सबसे कहने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जो चीज़ मतलब इस दुनिया का बड़े से बड़ा पहलवान आपके साथ नहीं कर सकता या आपसे नहीं करवा सकता, वो एक बेटी करवा सकती है। तो हम इस रिश्ते के साथ जीने वाले हम हिंदुस्तानी लोग हैं। लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, आपण सगळे भारतीय आहोत, करेक्ट है कि नहीं? और हमारा सबसे हिंदुस्तान का सबसे बड़ा गहना अगर कुछ है तो वो है इमोशंस, एंड इमोशंस के साथ साथ रिलेशनशिप्स। ये हमारा गहना है। दुनिया भर की चीज़ें इतनी खूबसूरत दुनिया में है, लेकिन वो दुनिया भर के लोग क्या देखने को आते हैं, क्यों अट्रैक्ट होते हैं इंडिया से, भारत से? ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ इमोशन, एंड दैट इमोशन वी शेयर, एंड दैट इज वाई वी क्लेम दैट वी आर वन ऑफ द रिचेस्ट पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड।
सो मैंने तो मस्ती में पूछा था, लेकिन ये लोग ने बहुत ही अच्छा जवाब दे दिया, तो ठीक है अभी।
सॉरी, ब्रीफ दे दो कि क्या आंसर का ब्रीफ।
शक्ल से मस्तीखोर लगते नहीं है।
Sachin sir, your journey has spanned decades in cinema, and your work
In my career also I have become a senior citizen.
and your work in City of Dreams introduced you to a new wave of viewers. And Shriya, you are more the OTT generation. So when you look at each other's careers, and you're still working, both of you, and of course Sachin sir has many more roles, but still there is commonality in the industry. What do you see when you're working and then you come home or you talk to each other, and there is a clear generational difference, because we have 3 generations in this room. So we want to know, what is the clear generational difference that you see between the both of you as you continue in the industry?
Would you like to answer that first?
No, I think you should answer first.
A clear generational difference. Well, I will say that even if showbiz, entertainment continues to evolve, I think जो एक artist की mindset है, that also evolves along with entertainment, showbiz. You have to be, you have to constantly understand that in order to be relevant, evolving is a huge part of it. A big aspect that perhaps I would say is extremely different is visibility, and how much the digital space has a role to play as an artist today. जब पापा ने एक्टिंग की शुरुआत की थी, तभी बस आपका परफॉर्मेंस था और आपका क्राफ्ट था, that would make you a star, which is why to date we love people, we love those stars, those movies, because you don't have any other distractions. आज मैं कह सकती हूँ कि yes, craft is, substance is very important, but एक perception का game भी होता है. Social media एक added, you know, एक tool है which people also use as artists. तो कई बार हम देखते हैं कि जिनमें ज़्यादा substance है, वो हमेशा forefront पे नहीं होते, बल्कि जिनकी visibility ज़्यादा है, वो you know, forefront पे होते हैं. So I feel like this is a huge difference that is perhaps a challenge and a new added layer. But otherwise, I would say there is no big gap besides the technology aspect of it, because no matter what generation you belong to, what time period you belong to, as a storyteller, you have to keep yourself emotionally, creatively, constantly open-minded. And that's the only way you can grow as an artist.
Well, basic difference between these two generations I can specify is that my generation is analog and celluloid, and her generation is digital. This is the biggest difference in the generation. But at the same time, digital also needs to learn from celluloid, because the existence of digital is because of celluloid and analog. for that matter. You see? So, and also, having said that, the analog and celluloid, because it does not exist that much today, we need to learn from the digital generation to be even relevant today. Because a person like me who cannot think of retirement, I can only think of doing something creative because it is in me. When I get up in the morning, at times when I'm writing a script, something comes into my mind at 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm fast asleep, but it comes into my mind, I get up. Arey, ye acha aa gaya kuch dimag mein. I suddenly earlier I used to take a notebook or a paper and write. Today I take a phone and go to my notes and just type it and keep, so that I get scared. What if I forget it when I get up in the morning? You know? So this is what happens to a creative person, which happens to me even today. It does not look at my age when it comes to my mind. You understand? Because now age is only a number. It's nothing else. As long as you are creative. Because however changes, now from analog it has come to digital. From celluloid it has come to digital. Tomorrow from digital it may go elsewhere. We don't know. Wherever it goes, content will remain content. You see, the most important thing is intelligence has become artificial, but stupidity is still original. Nobody can beat stupidity. So if you have that in you, please save it. Use it. And be happy about it. However people say you're stupid, you're original. Remember. You're not artificial. So, and when you talk about 60 plus years in career, it comes with lot of brilliance and bullshit. Both. It doesn't only come with brilliance, let me tell you. In whichever field you may be in working, or you may have retired, but you must be still thinking about something creative, something to do in your life. Maybe with your grandchildren. You never know. But you're still going. So you are alive and you have to be alive. However the generations, I mean, if you can learn a lot of things from your grandchild also, we should be open to it.
Just want to add one thing. One big difference that I see is wanting like quicker returns. I think our generation is used to very quick gratification, whereas there is attention is luxury today. Whereas I see that artists that have of the last few decades, they're much more trained and in tune to patience, and I think that's something our generation and the generations ahead need to learn.
Right. I think that's also a byproduct of social media. I think it's ruined many crafts in the sense that where you would have taken the time and patience to learn it properly from the foundation, you just
sorry for interruption. I remember one thing which she said, which I found very interesting. She said that, look, I may be a popular person in my own capacity, okay, but still that popularity or bigger stars who have become icons today, they have become only because they did not enter this film industry or this entertainment world when internet was existing. No.
The stars, the OG stars, you know.
You see, if there was any internet that time, we couldn't have been so big or so popular. Like the gentleman just said, "Bade achhe lagte hain." How many lines like this people can say about the stars who are existing in the internet world? You see, that world has become so close. Earlier, people used to wait to see actors on screen. Today, you can see them anywhere. So, अच्छा इसको देखा क्या? हाँ, वो तो मैंने कल भी देखा था. So, what is the importance?
Right.
Sorry to interrupt you.
No, of course not. Short-term memory, short-term success, short-term validation, and short-term efforts as well. So yeah, we miss the analog world, I guess. But since you talked about the generations, I am noticing a vibe, and of course, before you came here, we knew of it distinctly, but now it's very obvious to us that people talk about generational gaps as a barrier. But the two of you seem to have a generational bridge. So, how have you maintained this combination of friendship and camaraderie and supporting each other in each other's careers? Because our good fellows are young and the seniors are their grandpals who they treat as their own grandfathers. And we know about the relationships and how they came out to be, but we are very curious about yours.
We have always been open to our daughter right from the time she was born. I mean, I really not only appreciate but respect Supriya being a mother, because she started taking care of Shreya immediately after she came to know that she has conceived. You know, not only after she was born. And that is how we have been with our daughter. We are blessed to have a daughter, and daughter like her, who has a lot of self-esteem, you see, and which she has also observed from both of us. And we have been very open, and that is why probably there is no inhibition as such from her side to even speak out a lot of things. So you don't need to build any bridge. It happens.
No, but I will say, I slightly disagree, Papa, because I feel that because we have it naturally in our family does not mean it's in every family. I have seen this with my friends, but they are not close to their parents, and that makes me realize that this is a bond that we can't take for granted. I think very naturally so, I realized that growing up, my parents never spoke to me as per the age I was. They spoke to me the way they would want to speak to me, and they always created an atmosphere of extreme trust, a safe space where they really wanted me to never be afraid of them. Right amount of fear, of course. इतने भी दोस्त नहीं हो सकते कि मतलब कुछ भी. But I always felt safe to share things, and I felt like they were my friends more than anything else. And I think that's always extremely special. And oh, no worries, that's fine.
बोल दो.
कोई बात नहीं. That's fine, it's okay. And I feel that when you interact with people, not constantly putting them down based on their age or assumptions of what that age brings, something beautiful can happen. So I will say that the credit for our equation actually goes to my parents, because without feeling like I could express myself, this bond wouldn't have happened, I would say.
हाँ, मतलब हमने कभी श्रेया के साथ तुतला के बात नहीं की. कैची तू कैसी है बेला बनी है इसमें.
नहीं, आपने की है.
No, no.
आपने की है, ऐसे मत बोलो.
क्या है ना, द थिंग इज दैट की होगी तो लाड़ से की होगी, प्यार से किया होगा, बट वी हैव नेवर ट्रीटेड यू एज अ चाइल्ड दैट टाइम. रीजन बीइंग, अगर उसकी आदत उसको लग जाएगी तो वो भी आपको बुड्ढे जैसा ट्रीट करेगी जब आप बहुत बड़े हो जाएंगे तो यू नो. तो उसको अगर आपको बचाना है तो अपने बच्चे को आप बच्चा मत समझिए. मतलब ये मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बता रहा हूँ, मैं कुछ सिखा नहीं रहा हूँ किसी को.
That's great. Finally, I got the masti out of you. So, Sachin sir, with all these senior citizens here who are here for a reason, ये यहाँ पे आए हैं क्योंकि उनको सीनियर सिटीजन का जो उनका फेज है उसमें एक्टिव लाइफस्टाइल जीना है, और हमने आज दिन भर उसी के बारे में सोचा है कि मेंटली एक्टिव, फिजिकली एक्टिव, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली पैशन को अभी भी फॉलो करने के लिए टाइम है. आज दिन भर ऐसे ही लोग इस स्टेज पे आए हैं, तो उनके लिए आपका क्या एडवाइस रहेगा कि इस स्टेज ऑफ लाइफ में जो कुछ करना चाहे वो कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. दो चीज़ें इंपॉर्टेंट हैं मेरे हिसाब से. दिमाग को चलन देते रहना ऑल द टाइम इन समथिंग और द अदर. आई स्टिल प्ले वीडियो गेम्स ऑन माई फोन. हाँ, आई डू. At times when I'm alone at home, Supriya has gone out for something, maybe for shooting. Shreya is busy shooting. I'm at home. Every evening I sit with my mother. I have my dinner with my mother. Every evening when I'm in Mumbai, when I'm at home. But when I'm sometimes in my room alone, I have nothing else to do. I start singing alone. And I start appreciating myself also at the same time. I'm a very conceited man. And I admit it. And try to be conceited in life. Start appreciating yourself. Don't get scared of appreciating. No. Appreciate yourself. Be in love with yourself. Get up in the morning, stand in front of the mirror, however you're looking, say, "Good morning, handsome." Though that time you're not looking handsome, still say, "Good morning, handsome." And while going to sleep, just say to yourself, "I love you," and go to sleep. That is very, very important. Number one. Number two, ये 3 वर्ड्स अपनी जिंदगी से निकाल देना. लोग क्या कहेंगे? निकाल के फेंक देना बाहर. नहीं चाहिए जिंदगी में. उसके अलावा जीना आपने अगर शुरू कर दिया, किसी के बाप में दम नहीं है आपकी जिंदगी रोकने का. आपकी एंजॉयमेंट रोकने का किसी में दम नहीं है. वो नहीं होना चाहिए. Sometimes my daughter, sometimes my wife, sometimes my sister. My mother never says, but these 3 ladies.
What exactly do we say?
They know you're not looking nice in this.
One second. If
You know, don't wear this.
1 minute. If
Don't wear that.
if I understand styling well, and if he's wearing something that I know is looking awkward, it's my duty to tell you. I'm
Okay,
sorry.
fine. But at time, most of the times I say that, look, I am carrying it myself and I will carry it. So you must have that much of confidence. कि बीवी ने या बेटी ने बोल दिया तो हो सकता है उसमें फैक्ट है, सच्चाई है कि ये ऑकवर्ड लग रहा है, इसके साथ ये नहीं जा रहा है शायद, लेकिन आप में उतनी एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप उसको कैरी कर सकें. And remember one thing, you need to be ought to be number 1. A number 1, the one who's number 1 can never be even. Never ever. Remember it.
Thank you for that. Very interested to know your awkward outfits that you're carrying later. You can send me pictures. Shreya, you see your own generation here as well. And there's a mix of Gen Zs and millennials here. And they too follow your journey. And they are going through a phase of connecting with these senior citizens, and they are going to connect with a lot more as they go forward, because now Goodfellows is growing, it's spreading across the country, and you're going to have many more like these. Yeah. They have the raw material of a kind heart, but what advice would you give them as they go into life with the sense of empathy that they already have?
That's a great question. I've been very fortunate that मेरे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ मेरा जो रिलेशनशिप है, नाता है, वो बहुत ख़ास है. एंड आई थिंक वो इट्स 2 ways. कई बार मैं देखती हूँ दैट फैमिलीज़ में कम्युनिकेशन ही नहीं होता, एंड यू फील लाइक ओ माई ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन और माई चिल्ड्रन मे नॉट बी इंटरेस्टेड और आई मे नॉट, बट आई थिंक समटाइम्स ब्रेकिंग दैट ice or that awkwardness is really important. And I feel like to the younger generation, I will say that a lived life has the kind of wisdom that you will not get on the internet. And that I always say that your grandparents can teach you what Google can't. I mean, you know, a life, the experience, just the journey, because they've actually seen so much evolution. Truly, they've seen it all. So really spend time with your grandparents, ask them questions. I'm sure they want to chat about it. And to the Aji, Azobas, to the parents, I will say that also be curious about what's happening in the lives of the younger ones in your family. I think sometimes we're afraid to ask questions. ऐसे लगता है कि नहीं, intrusive हो जाएगा, disturb नहीं करना है. कई families में अलग dynamics होता है, but किसी ना किसी को वो break करना पड़ता है, I would say. So my advice would only be to don't be afraid to take that first step and just communicate and give love, because life is really fragile. And at the end of one's life, one realizes that moments spent with loved ones, building these connections, is far more important than that one job you may not have got, or something that you missed, or how much money you have in your bank. Eventually, it's about the love and the connections.
That's a great answer. Thank you for inspiring our good fellows. Thank you, both of you, for coming here and sharing more about your relationship, because we love your cinema. We love all the roles you've done. We love all the direction you've done. And clearly, when you walked in, the lines show what icons you are. And we will keep supporting you and loving you. But today, we got to see a more vulnerable part of you and what that relationship looks like, because this room is filled with relationships like that. It's good to see you guys have that as well.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you
And-
for having
and I would
us.
like to just say one line when I conclude this discussion. We all love our young ones, our dear ones, our loved ones, little ones. It's very obvious that we all love. You all also love. But please tell them that you love them. Unless you tell them, they won't come to know, and they need to know, mind you. They would be much closer to you if they know from you, with your demonstration. Demonstrate your love. Because if you don't, they won't come to know. Please do that. Thank you. दो लाइन मराठी गाना, वो ये आपने हिंदी में बोला, ये अच्छी बात है. दो लाइन मराठी में गाना, ये हिंदी में बोलती हैं आप, तो मैं हिंदी क्यों ना गाऊं? मैं गाने के लिए मैं, अरे बाप रे, ये सारी अच्छी फिल्में देखी हैं आपने मेरी. यहाँ देखिए ना, आप लोगों की एक खासियत मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है, विच आई रियली अप्रिशिएट. किसी भी एक्टर के अगर फिल्मों के नाम किसी को पूछ लिया जाए तो उनके सिर्फ हिट फिल्मों के गाने ही नाम ही लोग बताते हैं. फ्लॉप फिल्मों के नाम उनको याद ही नहीं रहते. तो इतना बड़ा दिल है ऑडियंस का, देखिए, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग जिंदा हैं. यू नो, दे ओनली रिमेंबर. अभी जो नाम आपने गानों के लिए, वो भी हिट फिल्मों के ही गाने हैं. मेरे फ्लॉप फिल्मों के भी गाने हैं, आपको मालूम ही नहीं है वो गाने. एनीवे, दो लाइन में जो मुझे आप लोगों के लिए, आप लोगों की नजर मैं कर सकता हूं, वो दो लाइंस मैं गाता हूं. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, ये धरती, ये नदियाँ, ये रहना और तुम.
Thank you, Shantanu, and thank you, Shriya ma'am and Sachin sir, for that wonderful conversation. To express our appreciation, may I invite Gargi Sandhu, co-founder Goodfellows India, to kindly come up on stage and present the mementos. Thank you, Gargi, for doing the honors. And once again, thank you, Shriya and Sachin sir, for joining us today. It's been an absolute delight.